To swing the 100x out of the way, you can lower your slide all the way down. And I'll pull this guy out of here. And we want to make sure that we actually do clean off our oil off of the slide. So we take a little piece of lens paper and we're going to wet our lens paper with our lens cleaner. Then we just take this wet paper and blot the end of the objective there with the wet part right there, and you can push down lightly on this thing. And then if you want to, you can take the edge here that's dry or get a fresh piece of lens paper, but press it down and you can see it's a little bit wet and it's a little bit oily there. Here is a fresh piece of lens paper. And if you look at it, you can see it's still a little bit wet there. So we just keep blotting around on this paper until the end of the objective is cleaned off. And again, we want to make sure that we get all the oil off of this objective because we don't want the oil seeping up into the barrel there. And you definitely don't want to have it on your 4X objective.